Hey people, well I just want to show this off. This 12-inch Hoover desk fan. Y'all might know I also have a 10-inch one. And I got an 8-inch one on the way. I just thought I'd show this off as this is the before I fix it. What's wrong with this one is it's got the wrong switch on there. It's got like a 4-way switch when this is only a 2-speed. It's probably got a lamp switch according to some of my friends. What happens is that when I turn it to the last click, it runs both high and low, and there's a risk of me burning out the motor. In fact, probably doing this video is risky, but I just gotta show it off anyway. It's got the same Harvest Gold color as the 10-inch Hoover, and it's got the same kind of switch as the 10-inch. But I bought me a toggle switch to replace it. And it's got the same oscillating mechanism. So let me show it running. Here's high. Does on the last clip, it runs both high and low at the same time. Actually, it seems to be running high. And here's off. Well, sometimes it runs low and sometimes it runs high, but I'm just showing you what it's doing. I'll probably show the oscillation whenever I get it fixed. So for now, this is the before of my Hoover 12-inch desk fan. The model number is 1970’s. So, thank you for watching.